George, for that concerning weather report.
Breaking news from Antarctica. Climate change is having a significant effect on our environment.
And we have Mariana live on location in Antarctica.
As you can see from behind me, I'm in Antarctica. Recent reports from scientists show that over the next century, temperatures are going to increase 2.5 to 10 degrees. This means that there will be an increase in sea levels of 1 to 4 feet by the year of 2100. Also, some areas have more precipitation than others, and this can lead to droughts, as an increase in very hot and intense summers, as well as the melting of glaciers, which will also contribute to the sea level rises. Elizabeth is here with me to discuss other effects of climate change.
With snow in mountainous regions melting, then an accumulation of fresh water that's consumed later on in warmer months is now becoming scarce. With a warming planet, the chances for diseases spreading from insects and rodents is increased, causing illnesses like Zika and malaria to spread more frequently. Ecosystems are shifting, animals are moving away from their natural habitats, plants are growing earlier than they should, and eggs are being laid earlier than usual as well. Now we have David Suzuki on the line with us discussing the causes of climate change.
Hi David, are you there?
Hello Chad and Brad, thank you for having me. Climate change is very threatening to our health as it pollutes the air, water we consume, food supply, and shelter. It is estimated that climate change will be responsible for an extra 250,000 deaths per year by 2030 and 2050. There will also be an increase in the health damage costs, approximately 2.4 billion USD.
That is very concerning, David. Now tell me, why does climate change occur?
Well, through the layers of the Earth's atmosphere, solar radiation is able to be bounced back into space, but a small amount is trapped by gases in the Earth's atmosphere.
With the most abundant gas being carbon dioxide, correct?
Yes, exactly. And the major contribution to the increase of greenhouse gases has been the burning of fossil fuels and the cutting down of trees over the past century.
And there has been an increase of 42% more carbon dioxide in our atmosphere before the industrial era. That's some scary stuff.
Very. Did you know that climate change has an effect on agriculture and food we consume as well that have detrimental effects to our health? We're going to talk to some local farmers to get more insight on this.
Hi, I'm Mary Lou, and this is my husband, Frank.
Hi, I'm Betty Sue, and this is my husband, Hank.
Howdy.
Climate change has a large effect on agriculture. It decreases livestock production, and it also causes droughts because there's so many inconsistencies.
The production of our crops is directly impacted by the climate change, and with the unreliability of the temperature and the precipitation, our crops are in jeopardy.
Temperatures also affect our crop seasons. With the increasing warm, longer seasons, our crop seasons are becoming shorter and shorter, causing a decrease in production on our farms.
With decreased crop production, food has become very scarce and expensive. Food shortage is a possibility.
Wow, so our food is being affected and so is our health.
Dr. Arnold is going to give us some insight into various health effects that climate change has.
Hi, Dr. Arnold.
Hi, you look weak. Take a seat.
I haven't eaten 3 days and I feel so weak and faint.
Well, due to agricultural problems, lack of refrigeration, and spoiled food in grocery stores, it looks like you're suffering from starvation. So I'm going to start an IV drip. You can give me your arm. Hello.
Hello, Dr. Arnold.
So we did our x-rays, and as you can see by these pictures right here, you're showing signs of COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, as well as PTSD. So this is very common for people that have been exposed to smoke from forest fires, as well as watching your house burn to the ground. If you were traumatized by that, you can get your PTSD from there. This has been on the rise in the last few years due to the increase of forest fires. So we'll prescribe you some medication.
Hi, Dr. Arnold.
Oh my.
I'm feeling incredibly sick and feverish, and I'm shaking like crazy, and I'm sweating a lot. What's wrong with me?
Let's do some blood work and we'll find out. Looking at your blood work, you actually have malaria. So this is caused by global warming. As the planet heats up, everything's melting and there's more stagnant water. The female Anopheles mosquitoes actually carry this, so that's how you got infected.
Thanks, Doc.
Welcome. disasters could have such a huge impact.
Now we have some very talented scientists explaining the significance of ocean acidification on our health.